they do everything in their power to protect each other. They will kill all of us. They will kill all of us to protect themselves, to shield themselves. They will make everything in their power that if we let Marikana go without anybody being held accountable, it means people will be killed and nothing will happen. As long as you disagree with the government, or as long as you disagree with my white monopoly capital. By the way, those people were not protesting against the councillor. They were not protesting against a mayor. They were protesting in a wage strike against a London mine. Lonmin is short for London mine. It's owned by some white people in London who have given little bits of shares to some BEE people, including Cyril Ramaphosa. That is who they were fighting. The ANC government chose white foreign monopoly capital, and it killed our people. That is why we're saying as the EFF, we cannot back down. These people must be taken to task. Criminal charges must be put to all of them, of those political elite, until justice is done. But also compensation. Each and everybody that was injured, each and every family that lost their loved one must be compensated in dollars.
Will the EFF take measures and go to and open a criminal case against the director of Elon Mill, that is Mr. Cyril Ramaphosa, because he was the director then?
Look, we're having a press conference on Thursday in which we're going to give a comprehensive EFF way forward. I don't want to preempt the leadership, but suffice to say that we released a statement to that effect, that we believe that commission report fell extremely and deeply short. If we were to go with that commission report, the rule of law will continue to crumble down until anarchy reigns in South Africa. So we are not going to back down, but on Thursday, the leadership of the EFF is holding a press conference to chant a way forward of what precisely forms of action we're going to engage in to make sure that the political elite and Lonmin is held accountable and that they pay for the death of 34 black mine workers.
23 minutes.